I've used both of Hostinger and SiteGround, and in this video, I will help you decide which one is the best for you. Before we go into the details, I want to let you know that you can get access to Hostinger and SiteGround using my affiliate link from the description below. Using this link will definitely support me at no extra cost to you. So thank you. And if you use one of these links to get your web hosting, I will give you a gift, which is an online course about SiteGround or Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this comparison. Installing WordPress in Hostinger is simple. All you have to do is go to Auto Installer under Website, click on Select under WordPress, fill in your website credentials, click Next, then Install. There you have it, your fresh WordPress is ready to customize depending on your needs. Installing WordPress on SiteGround was easy. First, go to WordPress, select Install and Manage. Click on this select button below WordPress. Select your domain name, your website language, installation path, username, password, email address, and hit this install button. And just like that, your WordPress is installed on your domain name. A cool feature I really like in SiteGround is the staging feature. It helps you avoid breaking your WordPress website when performing risky tasks like updating plugins or themes. How does it work? It creates a duplicate copy of your website. You can test those risky changes on the copy, and once you're sure everything works fine, you can deploy it, meaning you publish the changes to your live WordPress site. Hostinger allows you to create up to 100 email accounts, providing you with the means to look professional and be easily reachable by others. The process is straightforward, and once you finish setting up your email account, you can link your inbox to Gmail for convenient communication. Creating a free email account with SiteGround is also easy. I've created this professional looking email address. First, they give me only around 500 megabytes of storage. Then I've adjusted from here up to 10 gigabytes. Accessing this email address was also easy. And with SiteGround, all you need to do to access your webmail is write in your domain name, then add /webmail. Fill in your email address and hit login. With SiteGround, you can create email forwarders and also autoresponders. Unfortunately, I didn't succeed at connecting my SiteGround free email account with Gmail, and I think it was due to these non-updated email settings. In my experience and that of many others who have used Hostinger, fast loading is a noticeable and consistent feature. Despite being in the sector of affordable hosting, Hostinger maintains quick loading times. As demonstrated, my website on Hostinger loads quickly. After installing this starter template from Astra theme, I gave my website a visit, and from my experience, I think the speed is only average. It is not bad, but it is not top of the market. And these are the results from GT metrics, page speed insights, and pingdom by SolarWinds. To keep a copy of your work, Hostinger automatically creates weekly backups that you can download or restore from. When it comes to managing backups, Hostinger makes the process simpler compared to some competitors. Creating a website backup inside SiteGround was easy. All you need to do is to give your backup a name and hit enter. After that, you see all of your available backups here. But unfortunately, I was not able to download my backup to my computer because I was asked to pay for a subscription. Fortunately, with access to this file manager app, I can compress all of my website files and download them just like that. And for my databases, I can export them manually from PHP My Admin. But don't worry, restoring your available backups is easy and also free. Customer support is top notch with Hostinger. The live chat support is available 24/7 and is quick to connect, providing great assistance. The quality of support I've received has been consistently excellent. There have been instances where they exceeded my expectations, such as restoring a database I had agreed to fully remove with the closure of my account. However, for tasks requiring heavy lifting, such as uploading a database that exceeds the size limit, they suggested that I pay one of their team members, which costs sometimes $20 and sometimes $40. Getting to SiteGround customer support live chat is not that easy. It is a little bit hidden in their knowledge base articles, so you need to select a topic first and then you get access to it. In terms of wait time to get connected, it was almost instant, just like they claim. However, the support agent wasn't very quick to respond. It felt like he was chatting with multiple people at once, which is pretty common these days. That said, his replies were clear and I could tell he was genuinely trying to resolve my issue. If your website on Hostinger experiences a sudden surge in visitors, you don't have to upgrade your hosting plan. Hostinger provides a convenient solution. You can instantly increase your premium web hosting plan resources for 24 hours for free with just a click of a button.